You guys in the sticker room. Yeah, guys. Here is the Bakerloo line. 1972 stop departing and another train approaching. Shove, other train. There's another train. Another train approaching, guys. Just like I said. I think that's an 8 coach, London North Western Railways 350. 350 111 starting with it. And 350 256 ending with it. I think I already saw 350 256 in my life. Wow. Guys, in train approaching. I think that's London North Western Railways 350. Yeah, it is. Zooming. That one was going really quick. Made it really quick. Oh, and another train from there. Yeah, that's surely another train. Fancy. Thick. As you can see, it's Avanti West Coast 390. Handelino. There it is going, guys. And yeah, guys, in train approaching. Avanti West Coast Pendolino. Yeah, guys, that was good, wasn't it? So like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, guys, I'll tell you when next week comes. I'll stop talking in the video now. And yeah, guys, here's the Bakerloo. And yeah, guys. Guys, here is the Bakerloo line, 1972 stop departing. There it is, as you can see. There it is, guys. And yeah, guys, in train approaching. Good. I think it's a freight. Here it is, guys. I think class 90. Guys, here it is, class 90. Wow, 3 locomotives. Class 66 and a class 90. Wow, 3 locomotives. And then 710. There it is going, guys. And yeah, here's the 710 London Overground service. There's the class 66 and class 90. There's the light at the end. Here's the 17. Guys, I'm trying approaching. You can see. There it is, guys. There's the London Overground going, and then here's the other train coming. I think it's the London and Western Railways. Yes, it is. Wow. Yeah, guys. Army pit. Guys, and train. I think that's the Avanti. Yes, it is. There is going, guys. And here we have the Overground 710. Yeah, guys, there it is. Guys, and train. Diversion Voyager.